Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my shop. In these brief videos, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink refills in these pens. So this is about changing the ink refill on the Vesper style pen. This one's got the stylus tip on it. Simply by unscrewing this tip from the body, that comes off. Then you have your refill here and the spring. And it's just putting the spring back on, refill back into the body, and assemble that together and screw it back on again. That quick and easy. You're back in business again. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned from it. If you did, please give me a like. If you want to see what I come up with next, please subscribe. Thank you.